Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to set up option tradings account on Webull. So let's begin. First, you need to do is sign up to Webull and make your own account. After you successfully make your account, you'll need to fund it because Webull requires minimum deposit to start trading. And after that, you need to apply for options trading. To do this, you need to click on Webull icon in the bottom middle part on the screen and then click on detail. And now, you can see basically the details of your account. And scroll all the way down, find trading access. And now, click on option trading level. And it will bring you to this page. Scroll down and apply for options. And check on financial profile. And fill out the needed informations. And after you did all that, click on continue. So, that's how to set up option trading's account on Webull. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.